word with you? Hello? 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 Excuse me. Pardon me. Hello? May I have a word? Hello? 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 May I have a word with you? Hello? Feed the birds. Chop in some birds. Chop in. Are these friends of yours? Who are they? Are they friends of yours?
They're the flying rats.
Hello, flying. What? How dare you call these birds rats? They're not rats. People are rats, not birds. I'm angry. I'm going away. Oh, God! Kids start falling down. Wait a minute. Let me try to get a word in with these little. Hello. May I? Hello. Oh well. This is Ashby. Signing off from ABC. Now stay tuned for Emma Thompson in Who Ate the Asparagus?